In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats in Microsoft Teams. Understanding how to manage your chat history is essential for both maintaining privacy and ensuring a clutter-free workspace. Let's walk through the steps together in a way that's simple and easy to follow, so you can quickly and confidently handle your chat messages. First, let's start with how to delete your own messages in Microsoft Teams. This feature is particularly handy if you've made a mistake in your chat or simply want to clear certain messages from the conversation. To begin, navigate to the Chat tab within Microsoft Teams. This is where you'll see an overview of all your recent and ongoing conversations. Now locate the specific message you'd like to remove. As you hover over the message, you'll notice some icons appear. Among these is the More Options menu, represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this menu will reveal several actions you can take with the message. From this list of options, select Delete. It's important to note that once you delete the message, it's removed from the conversation for everyone involved. In its place, a notification will appear stating, "This message was deleted." This transparency helps maintain the conversation's context while respecting your decision to remove the message. Additionally, if you're looking to tidy up your chat list without permanently deleting conversations, you have the option to hide them. This is particularly useful if you want to reduce clutter but might need access to the conversation in the future. To hide a chat, find the conversation you wish to remove from your list in the Chat tab. Hover over the conversation just like before, and once again, click on the More Options menu. From there, choose Hide. This action effectively removes the chat from your visible list. However, it's crucial to remember that hiding a chat doesn't delete it. The conversation and its entire history remain intact. The key difference is that it's no longer visible in your active chats. If someone sends a new message in that hidden conversation, it will reappear in your chat list, alerting you to the new activity. This feature allows you to keep a clean and organized chat interface while safeguarding the continuity of your important communications. So there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps for managing your chat messages in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're deleting a specific message or simply hiding a conversation from view, these tips will help you maintain an organized digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.